All right, so you've got that big buy customer coming in. It's exciting, the adrenaline's going, you're about to make a sale. A couple of lights, a veg, a flower, right? Everything they need. It's gonna be $2,500. But for them, the experience is overwhelming. It's your job to keep the overwhelming part down, to suppress that feeling, because if the customer gets overwhelmed, you might lose that sale. So you have to keep the excitement level down. Yes, I know the customers have a lot of questions. They're going to have 1,000 questions. They're going to want how to grow, how to flower, where to put the light, all these questions. But it's your job to focus their direction. Instead of letting them take control of the situation, you take control. Help build their garden around their needs. Help assemble all the products so they don't feel so intimidated. By involving them in the process, it'll take their focus off the price, and it'll keep the focus on building the system so they can buy it. Remember, you can always teach them everything they need after they set up the equipment. Just get them to buy the equipment, take it home and set it up, and go from there.